When the food cravings hit, often it's the simplest of things. We all crave for eggs every now and then. Fried eggs, omelets, and of course that perfect scrambled egg. My perfect scrambled egg is perfectly different. I use coconut oil and it's delicious. You should give it a try. Let's see how to make a perfect scrambled egg that's perfectly different. So we're making scrambled eggs for one. I have 2 eggs here and I have some chopped spring onions. You can use chives as well. And here I have my seasoning. It's a mixture of onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper powder, a little bit of cornstarch, and salt. Now if you like, you can just use salt and pepper. I prefer a little bit of extra seasoning. I also have a small knob of butter, about a teaspoon. Now I'm using a small non-stick frying pan because it's easier for me to cook those 2 eggs in the smaller pan. I added 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and as it begins to heat up, I'm adding my eggs. The eggs were at room temperature. Why is there something so satisfying about cracking eggs? I don't know. As the eggs just begin to heat up, we're adding our butter in right at the beginning. Now, the secret to a perfect scrambled eggs is to scramble them slowly. You don't want to turn up the heat and scramble them too quickly. You want to scramble them slowly and patiently to get that perfect result. Now because we've added the butter, in the beginning it will seem like it's taking a little while for the eggs to begin to set, but that's okay. Just keep stirring and eventually you will see that the egg starts to set from the bottom. Now you need to keep stirring, and now you want to regulate the heat. You want to keep lifting up your pan and putting it back on the heat, lifting it up, putting back as you continue to stir. If you find the eggs are setting too quickly, lift it up from the stove and then return it back to heat. And just keep stirring. Now you can see our eggs are on their way to being scrambled. Stir from the sides to the center. You will notice that we haven't added any seasoning. We only add the seasoning just before it's completely set. Just about now we can add our seasoning. Add seasoning to taste. Continue to stir. At this point you want less heat. Now I've got it just the way I want it. I'm going to remove it from heat. The eggs will continue to cook even after you've removed it from the stove, so keep stirring. And now you can add your chopped herbs. I'm adding chopped spring onion greens. You can add chives as well. And just stir it through. Make sure you've got your toasted bread ready. And the perfectly different, perfect scrambled eggs are ready. Just the way I like them. I hope you enjoyed this quick video recipe. And do let us know in the comment section how you like your scrambled eggs and what makes them different. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye!